About this website, then I'm supposed to come to your house today and hold you, because few days ago I needed some BVN services and I was busy walking around looking for where I can get these services, and now I'm just realizing that if I had known about this website I could have done everything easily on my phone, because on this website jankado.com.ng you'll be able to do many of these things and people can even pay you to do it for them. You see all those NIN services, NIN verification, retrieval, validation, and even getting plastic NIN. You can do all these is on this website. BVN services like BVN sleep printing, retrieval or modifications. This website. Also, if you have a new business, company or organization, you can register under CAC with this website. There are many other related services you can get on this website, so you just have to go check it out. Visit jankado.com.ng now and thank me later. See you on the next one.